Welcome back, my name's Andy. Today we're going to be making a little jig to make little hooks, so let's crack on. Okay guys, so we're going to need a welder for this project. I'm going to take a 4-inch piece of angle iron. That's a piece of angle iron, I promise you. Then a 1-inch piece of 1/2-inch round. I'm going to weld that here, and then a similar piece of probably 1/2-inch square. I'm going to weld that in next to it, approximately 1/4 of an inch away. I'll use that to hook onto the little scroll which will be on the hook, and then I'll wrap the hook around the round part, which will form the hook itself, if you like, and then I'll deal with the end when I'm done with it. Okay, cool. Let's get cracking. As ever, guys, safety first. Eyes and ears.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you.
Okay, so I've cut a 4-inch length of the angle iron. You'll notice that I didn't cut all the way through on my 1/2-inch square bar there. That's so that I can hold it in place, tack it, and then I'll break it off. And I'm using a piece of an old bolt for the main part of the jig, because I just happen to not have any short pieces of 1/2-inch round anywhere. This will do absolutely fine. So I'm going to crack on, get this welded up, and then we'll go.
If I may, I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you night and day. If I may.
Okay, so I've welded the 1/2-inch rod in place. I've just gone and cut it off and cleaned up the area slightly. Now I'll weld on the piece of flat. Sorry, the piece of 1/2-inch square.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you.
Cheers, guys. So there you go. A nice and simple hook making jig. I've done one of these before, hence the slight learning curve there, but I can see this being a really handy little bit of kit. I'm going to probably stamp half-inch hook or something along the side there so I know what it is. I'm pretty happy with the results. I've just bashed out 5 in the space of about 10 minutes, just purely waiting for heats and things like that. So yeah, definitely going to be a handy bit of kit. So, if you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, you should subscribe. As ever, I am far more active on Instagram and Facebook than I am on YouTube, so if you don't already, you should follow me there. I'll put links below. How do you make your hooks? Do you use a jig, or do you just do them all over the horn, or something different? Why don't you leave a comment, let me know how you do it, that'd be great. As ever guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy, bye.